When you think about what keeps massive diesel engines alive and pushing through heavy workloads, it always comes down to one key part: the fuel injection pump. Without it, the engine simply doesn't perform. Today, the spotlight is on a replacement fuel injection pump designed for NT855 diesel engines, made to fit part numbers 4,951,501 and 3,019,487. This part is what ensures that big machinery like excavators and other industrial engines keep running strong and reliably, day after day. Diesel power is all about efficiency, torque, and long-term durability. The NT855 engine is a workhorse known for its rugged build and widespread use across construction, mining, and industrial environments. But no matter how tough the engine is, it's only as good as the parts that feed it. That's where the injection pump comes in. This isn't just a piece of metal with pipes, it's a precision system that manages how much fuel enters the chamber, when it gets there, and at what pressure. That level of control is what keeps a diesel engine delivering reliable power. So why is this replacement fuel pump worth a look? First, it's engineered as a direct replacement for NT855 engines with part codes 4,951,501 and 3,019,487. That means it slots right into place without complicated modifications or risky adjustments. It's made to restore performance back to factory standards, which is especially important if your current pump has been causing issues like hard starts, inconsistent idling, or decreased power. Durability is another factor that can't be overlooked. A diesel injection pump has to survive harsh operating conditions. Think high pressure, continuous cycles, varying temperatures, and sometimes less than perfect fuel quality. If the pump isn't up to the task, it fails early, which drags the whole machine down with it. This replacement pump is built to meet the stress levels that NT855 engines demand, helping ensure that it doesn't just work today but keeps working reliably for years. Precision is everything when it comes to fuel delivery. Unlike older systems, diesel injection relies on extremely accurate timing and atomization. The pump isn't just pushing liquid, it's spraying fuel in microscopic droplets, at the exact moment the piston needs it. If timing or pressure is even slightly off, you get incomplete combustion. That leads to smoke, poor fuel economy, more emissions, and weaker performance. By installing this replacement pump, you're essentially restoring that factory precision that the NT855 was designed to deliver. Let's talk about the installation side of things. For professionals or operators who have worked with these engines before, the process isn't complicated, but it does require accuracy. Proper calibration and timing setup are critical. Once installed correctly, the results are noticeable immediately. Engines tend to start easier, idle smoother, and respond better under heavy loads. For an excavator operator, that translates into more consistent digging, lifting, and overall performance without worrying about power loss halfway through the job. The real-world benefits extend beyond performance. Think about downtime on a construction site. When heavy machinery is offline, the entire project slows down. Crews can't move forward, deadlines get pushed, and costs increase. That's the ripple effect of one failing part. Replacing a faulty injection pump with a reliable one avoids all of that. It's not just about fixing an engine, it's about keeping an entire operation on schedule. The NT855 is a respected engine because of its toughness and longevity, but like any machine, it needs proper care. Pumps like this one are a major part of keeping it healthy. They're not flashy, but they're essential. And given how much work these engines do in construction, mining, or power generation, maintaining fuel efficiency and consistent performance is key to getting the most value out of them. Another point worth considering is operating cost. Fuel isn't cheap, and for operators running fleets, even a small percentage of wasted fuel means serious money over time. A failing injection pump burns more fuel than necessary, hurting efficiency. This replacement helps restore the correct pressure and spray pattern, maximizing fuel use and saving costs in the long run. Better fuel burn also means reduced emissions, which is a growing priority in heavy industry. Build quality is where a pump really proves itself. Constant pressure cycling can wear out inferior parts quickly. This replacement pump is constructed with materials built to handle that stress. Resistance to corrosion, wear, and impurities in fuel are a part of its design. It's not just about functioning,